Hello everyone, it is Mrs. Ernst here, and today we're going to go ahead and look at Tuesday's instructions. So for Tuesday, Mr. Ernst's aunt wanted to read another book to you guys. So let's welcome Miss Banks as she reads a book to you guys. Sorry, my dogs were fighting in the background. And also, please, after they're done watching that video, you're going to take your planning page of the persuasive and you're going to start writing your final copy. Now, we're going to share these final copies on Friday, so make sure that you're watching the video and it shows you guys how to take a final draft and make a planning page and making it into a final draft, okay? So take some time and watch those videos and then start writing your final draft. You have until Friday for it to be done, so you have plenty of time to be working on it, okay? After that, you'll need to get on iStation Reading, which we talked about on Monday. Make sure they're getting on reading, the very first icon on the home page. And then we're going to be reviewing Double E. Like I said, I know we've already practiced it, but we're going to practice it some more because practice makes perfect. We have Cassie Stevens here, and we're going to take a break from Superhero Week to do an activity that you're going to need, on Wednesday. So you guys are going to make salt dough clay, and you're going to need that clay for Wednesday's activity, okay? We have that choice board back up here again if you want to do that as well, okay? We have our community circle, so we are going to visit Mojo again, and I have a discussion guide for you to go through with your child. Please remember that this is a time to build a relationship with your child and making sure that they understand that they have emotions. It's okay to express them, but maybe talking about healthy ways to express our emotions, okay? Afterwards, you have a video in science. We're doing science today instead of math, called Light. So it's going to be talking about light energy. When you're done with science, I would like you to get on iStation Math or Prodigy for 30 minutes. Please remember, if you choose to get on Prodigy instead of iStation Math, you need to be on Prodigy for 30 minutes. I am looking at how many questions you answered on Prodigy. So if you answered 15 questions on Prodigy, that counts towards 15 minutes. Now that does not mean rush to answer the questions. That means take your time, think about the questions. Remember, it's not just about how many questions you answer, it's about how many you're getting right as well, okay? You guys have a fabulous Tuesday. Remember, these are QR codes if you need the QR code to scan. And here is my instructions, contact information if you need that. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.